If you want to transcribe voice recordings on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to the voice recorder. So of course, I'm gonna open the Samsung folder over here, and here we can find our voice recorder. Once you have your recording, you should be able to, of course, open it. And once you do, here in the upper right corner, we have this icon with like a circle and an arrow. There's also a T letter and so on. So we're gonna tap over here. If you go here for the first time, if you select this option for the first time, you might need to tap on continue to agree to use intelligent features or AI features, and then we need to wait for the transcription to be done. Of course, the longer the audio recording is, the longer it's going to take to actually create the transcription, but then once it is done, then you should be able to see it here. Now, the good thing about this transcription over here is that, of course, we have speakers detected, so if there are multiple speakers on the recording, they are going to be distinguished on the transcription. We can also, of course, customize the transcription as well. So if you press and hold your finger somewhere on the transcription, you should be able to find the edit option. If you tap on any of these words, then you are pretty much moved onto that part of the recording when that word is being mentioned. So you can easily start from this specific point. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.